How to fix the Husqvarna 235E series chain tightener. Maintaining proper chain tension is essential to the safe and efficient usage of any chainsaw. The Husqvarna 235E series chainsaw is one of the brand's consumer-level saws and comes equipped with a tool-free chain tightener that removes all guesswork from having a properly tensioned chain. However, should the chain tensioning system become difficult to operate, troubleshooting requires disassembly and cleaning of the unit, and possible replacement of worn or broken parts. Things you'll need: Phillips head screwdriver, compressed air. Remove the chain brake assembly by unscrewing the easy tension knob by hand. Leave the bar and chain on the power head. Remove the 3 screws holding the chain adjuster gear cover in place, using the Phillips head screwdriver. The screws are on the inside lower left corner of the chain brake assembly. Remove the chain adjuster gear cover. Before removing the cover, note the relative positions of the 3 parts beneath the cover: the chain adjuster gear, idler gear and adjuster screw assembly. Clean all the parts, using the compressed air. Clean the inside of the chain brake assembly with the compressed air, removing all the wood chips and excess chain oil. Inspect the teeth on the chain adjuster gear, idler gear and adjuster screw assembly. Replace any parts that are broken or worn. Replace the adjuster screw assembly, idler gear and chain adjuster gear in the chain brake assembly. Make sure all the parts rotate freely. Replace the chain adjuster gear cover and replace the 3 chain adjuster gear cover screws, using the Phillips screwdriver. Replace the chain brake assembly on the saw and adjust the chain tension per the specifications in your user's manual. Tips: warnings. Always wear gloves when handling chainsaw chain. Always wear safety goggles when using compressed air.